Hi children, welcome to Pebbles. Today I am going to show you how to draw a peacock easily. Let's start. First, draw a triangle shape and from that corner go upside and come down by drawing a curve slantingly, and again on another corner come slantingly and join that together. Now draw an eye oval shape at the head part, and inside that eye draw a small arch. Coming to bottom part, we are going to draw a leg. Draw a thin line, two thin lines, and at the bottom draw two fingers. Again another at the side, draw another slanting line and draw fingers at the bottom. Now coming to the feathers part, starting from the right side, draw like this upside arch, and from the top draw like this cloud shape. Similarly draw on the left side too. Now we have finished drawn a feathers outside part. Now coming to inside, at the top of head draw like this hook like shape, 3 hooks, and now we have drawn a cloud shape for feathers. From the each cut draw an inside arch like this, slanting line on every cut like this. That's it, we have drawn a peacock easily. Okay, if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe Pebbles.